Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am excited to review this sample provided by Fount Society. It's a body butter. This is the packaging, and this is the butter. It's 10 ounces. And what I love about this product is that it's non-greasy and it's going to moisturize your skin. This is how it looks. So it's going to moisturize your skin. Let me show you. It doesn't have a smell, but it has aloe and vitamin E. And it's amazing. Like you can use it on your knees, on your elbows, on your dry hands. And it's just so lightweight. Like my skin immediately absorbs the cream and it makes it feel super soft. So I can use this every day all over my body after showering or even on damp skin. It's great. It's a great product. It also has a lot of cream in it. This will make a great for a gift or just for you to use it all around your body. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.